These are the signs that labor is close or you are even in labor without knowing. Now, during the late pregnancy, you're going to be seeing a lot of discharge, a lot of vaginal discharge, different from the usual discharge that you usually had during your pregnancy. Now, you're also going to see a pink or blood-stained jelly-like secretion. Like when you see the secretion, it will look like as if it's blood. Sometimes it's as if it's pinkish in color. Now, these are signs of early labor. Then Braxton Hicks contraction is that painless contraction that you feel around 32 weeks and above. But when labor is close, Braxton Hicks becomes painful. Like it becomes painful. It will come to your lower abdomen and hold you very tight. Now that contraction is irregular. It doesn't look like the real contraction. The real contraction is usually regular and rhythmic. Now at this stage, you're going to have what we call incontinence. Like when you go to the bathroom to urinate, after urinating, even when you are not urinating, you pee on yourself. Now sometimes that pee could be like what that is dripping. So if you start feeling all these things, my advice for you as your midwife is to pack your bag, keep your delivery bag, keep everything intact, then continue with your daily activities, because any moment from that time, you're going to go into real labor. And when labor starts, you will also know. Now, if you have not packed your bag, please pack it now. All right. Don't forget to share this video to your pregnant friends. Share this video so that other mothers can learn. My name is Nurse Nello. I'm always here for you. Drop your questions in the comment section. All right. Bye.
Nurse Nello.